Hi everyone, this is Michelle Medina Season and this is Glam and Fab Queen TV. So welcome to my channel. It's a very nice day today. It's another good day. The sun is so bright up and I did my exercise this morning. I woke up at around 6 o'clock in the morning. I took my healthy breakfast. I took my herbal concentrate tea with a mandarin aloe or concentrate. Those are very healthy drinks. They can help you with your energy and your digestive system. Then I take my healthy breakfast. It's a nutritional drink. It's a complete meal. And then I did my exercise. Okay, that's why I really feel good today. And in this time of pandemic, we are thinking of a lot of we have a lot of thoughts na things are not doing well and all that stuff, but what we can do is just to be positive. What we can do is to take care of our body, and that's so that we can be healthy and strong. Okay, so what I want to do now is to have a review and the tutorial of the Laura Mercier the full canvas eye and cheek palette. And this palette, actually it's my first time to do a Laura Mercier review and tutorial. Okay, I have known Laura Mercier from way back 18 years ago when they first came to the Philippines. I've tried their primers, and at the time I didn't know how to use a primer. It was not that popular as to how you really use that. Okay, so right now primers are everywhere, your face, your eyes. So that's how I've known Laura. So now, okay, I came across this palette online at the lauramercier.com in the US, and I was wondering, ano ba yung palette? Ano ba talaga to? Kasi the way it looked like in online, it looked like this. Okay, you cannot see the real look of the palette because it looks like white plastic, and maybe I don't know what this is. Okay, I didn't really understand what it was, so I clicked it and had a look, and finally I was able to see it, and I think it was a very good value palette. Okay, so this is the box, and this is the palette. Why is it that I got the palette? Number one, it's a double flap palette. Okay, we have the eye palette here and the cheek palette here, and when you open it, okay, you open it this way, and there's a plastic cover, and there is a mirror in between. It's a removable mirror. Okay, see, it's a removable mirror. And this is really, it's my first time to see this kind of palette, so I want to thank Laura for being creative, and that's why I got it. I almost got this palette online at lauramercier.com, the US website, because it was already on sale, and it's still on sale. But I decided to get it here at Royale in the Philippines, because when they called and I texted, they immediately replied to my text, the Laura Mercier girl, Linda, and I said I'll just buy it in the Philippines because you know, businesses now just beginning to open, and I think I can do something if I help them if I buy it in the Philippines. It was not on sale. It cost something like $6,400 or $120 or more, but I got it here in the Philippines. But this is the good news. They are now on sale starting last week. So you will all get this at least 30% discount. Okay? So you're very lucky that you're gonna have it and you're gonna be able to buy it. So I love the colors. They're very classic. So if you're traveling, I think this is very good for traveling. You have your cheek and eye already palettes, and I would suggest that you retain the cover so that to protect the colors, or you know, all of this from the glass from getting scratched. All right, so I suggest that. Let's put this away first. Okay, and it's made of plastic, the cover. It's copper colored. All right, they have this beautiful design. The artwork is really great. Whoever the artist is, you're really good. Okay, I think this is a modern way of the way you interpret women now. Okay, I saw my daughter have this kind of drawing as well. Okay, illustration, and it's light, and it has 15 colors. So I think you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmer colors or sparkly colors, and you have satin colors, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you have the matte colors here, 1, 2, 3, and this one a semi-matte. All right, then you have the cheek color. You have here this rose or mauve color, the lighter one. This is the darker one, and your glow colors are here. There you go. These colors are called rose blush, this one, and they call this rose glow. Oh, this one is glowy. Okay, there, this is the rose blush. See, and let's see the two, and this one is the bronze glow and the platinum glow. The way they name their palettes are very simple to remember. Okay, platinum, rose, bronze, so simple. But for the eye color, all right, they call it the golden frost, golden orange. So this is the so I've heard that Laura blushes are very good. Yes, it is very good, and I'm surprised. This is my first time to use their shadows and cheek colors. I was surprised at the way it looks like, because it's easy to blend and a little bit goes a long way. And after I applied everything, I look so stunning. All right, I look so well put together. I think it's very elegant, and if you want the classic elegant look, and you have the vibe of Paris, well, because this is a French brand, okay, I would suggest that if you love that kind of vibe, you get this palette. I love it. I am happy with my purchase, and I'm so happy with the people from Laura Mercier here in the Philippines, because they're very, very generous. Really. What did I get when I got this palette? Let me show to you. First is that they gave me a pouch, beauty bag here. Okay, I haven't really opened it yet, but let me open it for you. Here. This is so very nice, okay? There you go. It's a very classic rose mauve color. This is the in color now. You can put your makeup inside. I always get a lot of freebies like this, no? Ang dami ko nakukuhang freebies na ganyan. And then they gave me 3 minis. I love minis. Of course, I got the classic Laura Mercier translucent powder. This one is very good finishing product. And they have this Laura Mercier eye pencil, metallic taupe. It's caviar stick eye color. I think you can use this as your base color for this palette. And the lipstick. I didn't know about the color of this lipstick until I opened it earlier. And it's the red that I'm wearing right now. This is the classic lipstick Rouge Essentiel. And this is called Rough and Time. I'm not fond of red lipstick so much, but I tried it with this kind of look. And you know what? I'm so happy about it. I can't really imagine how good this is. And this lipstick is so creamy. See? Very creamy. Here. Let me show you how the colors would look when we swatch it. Here. Looks goody. Yep. There you go. Yeah. This one, I use it here. It's really highly pigmented. It really, you know, a little bit goes a long way. You're not gonna have a hard time blending it. It's so easy to put on and you'll be finished in no time. Well, the good thing is that we have all of these contour colors. They have the matte black here and they have this brown thing, okay, which I used, all right, and this one as well. So it is balanced. All you have to do is pick any base color like the caviar stick, okay, or anything that you have that's really neutral as base. So I think it's really worth getting this palette. I love it. I'm gonna take this to one of my travels as soon as the pandemic is over. I can't wait to use it again, right? So if you really want to get this palette, go on lauramercier.com. And in the Philippines, my Mercier, and at Response, they're having a sale right now. That's why I made to do this palette right away, because I want you guys to really see it and I want you to really try it. All right, what is can I say, but let's try it. Let's start with the tutorial. So we're now starting with a tutorial. So now I'll start with color base. It's really beautiful. Really, I love it. Merci beaucoup, Laura Mercier. I love it. I love this elegant look.